Hey guys, so welcome back again to my channel. For today, if you can see right here, we have a sneaker unboxing and I will show you guys my new sneakers from Nike. So yung binili kong sneakers guys is this Nike Air Monarch IV and actually matagal ko nang gusto yung sapatos na to. I just don't know why hindi ko siya binili pa even before. And when I was trying to look for it online, wala na akong makita na size ko. So I had to buy this sa US website which is Dick's Sporting Goods. So doon ko siya nabili. It was I think 75 or $74.99. But since first time customer, I think I got 20% discount yata or basta may discount. So hindi rin masama. Plus, kasi shinip ko papunta dito sa Philippines. So, long story short, ayun nga, dapat matagal ko na siyang binili. So, anyway, nagustuhan ko talaga yung Air Monarch. For one, dahil naging uso rin naman talaga yung mga chunky style na sapatos. And, ito pa nga was dubbed as the ultimate nga ba, but dad shoe. Because of its style, diba? It's a little on the chunkier side when it comes to sneakers, 'di ba? Ang kapal ng mga padding mo, 'di ba? Kapal din yung dito sa sole, then wide siya, 'di ba? So it's really for comfort kumbaga. And that's what older, kaya nga dad, 'di ba? Dad shoe. Older people would appreciate. Now, the shoe does come in different colorways, but ito yung pinili ko kasi ito yung parang pinaka-popular na style din. But it does come in all black, then meron ding black and white na combination. But I got this white and metallic silver na colorway. And what's also nice about the shoe is marami siyang details, diba? If you can see, maraming different layers, maraming stitching, saka maraming details lang, kumbaga. So here at the side, if you see, marami kang layers dito. Marami ka ring stitching. Then you have the metallic check mark na meron ka pang embroidery dito. Then meron ka pa dito yung mga slits pa yun. And the same here at the back, yung sa pull tab mo, meron ka pang mga stripes, hair, then may mga layers ka. And the same thing here at the side. So dito naman sa front, if you can see, meron kang checkmark logo dito. Then here, meron ka pang notch. Then may stitching design ka pa. Then you also have the slits here. You again have the Nike logo dito. Then here at the tongue, you have Air Monarch na naka-embroider. Embroider nga ba? Ayun. Then you also have this detail dito na layer. And dito rin, no, meron ka pang subtle details dito. Gaya nung sa pull tab mo dito. So all in all, 'di ba? Ang dami niyang layers, ang daming design elements, kumbaga. And if you also look at the sole itself, marami rin siyang design details dito. So here you have Air. Dito may nakalagay din, full length Air. Yun. Then, ayun siya guys, di ba? Ang daming design elements, ang daming details ng shoe. Kahit white lang siya all over and navy, marami siyang design elements. Inside, if you can see, nakalagay Air Monarch, full length Air. This one, yung details ng shoe. So, I am a size 8 and feeling ko naman okay lang sa akin because hindi ako katangkaran. Then, medyo for me, malaki yung size 8 for my height. But I think okay lang din. I like the chunky shoe style din naman. And I think I can pull it off. Now, dito sa baba, this is what the sole looks like. So, ito siya guys. Then you have the Nike check dito. So, let's check out the other pair. And while we are checking this out, in case you are wondering, kaya siya Air Monarch 4 is because ito na yung 4th iteration niya. So, merong first 3 na nauna And the Air Monarch was introduced 2003 by Nike. So that's why 4, ito na yung 4th release, I guess, or yun nga, a 4th iteration of this shoe. So there you have it, guys. These are my new sneakers, the Nike Air Monarch IV. I hope you like this quick unboxing of my new Nike sneakers, and I will see you again next time.